Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you pet owners out there, especially those with cats and small animals. We're going to dive deep into why curated Wood Pellets litter is considered the best cat litter wood pellets on the market. Stick around because we've got all the details you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Curated Wood Pellets litter is a game-changer in the world of pet bedding and litter. If you're tired of dealing with dusty and messy alternatives, you're in for a treat. These wood pellets are specially processed to eliminate dust and wood debris, setting it apart from other brands. Now, here's the real magic. When these pellets come into contact with moisture, they expand and turn into sawdust, making it super absorbent. And the best part? No more sticking or clinging. Cleaning up after your pets has never been easier. But this isn't just for cats. curated Wood Pellets litter is versatile and suitable for various small animals like rabbits, guinea pigs, pet birds, and more. It's all about providing your furry or feathered friends with a comfortable habitat. You might be wondering about the value for money. Well, we've got good news for you. curated offers a great price point for the quality you receive. You can save even more when you buy in bulk. Plus, it's available on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's take a quick look at what pet owners who have tried curated Wood Pellets litter have to say. With over 3,802 global ratings, it maintains a solid 4.4-star average. Many customers praise its odor control, absorbency, and ease of cleaning. The best. No smell at all, says one satisfied customer. Another mentions, much better than clay pellets. It's clear that pet owners are loving the results they get with curated Wood Pellets. But wait, there's more. curated offers an array of natural beddings, like clean and cozy lavender bedding, natural bedding, and more. So, if you're looking for alternatives or want to mix things up, curated has you covered. And there you have it, folks. curated Wood Pellets litter, the best cat litter wood pellets for your beloved pets. With its dust-free, absorbent, and easy-to-clean qualities, it's no wonder pet owners are raving about it. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your paws on this fantastic product. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review something specific, let us know in the comments below.